Great things often start small. A brilliant idea can turn a piece of metal into a high-precision component for a forward-looking technology. PTF precision parts are used in a wide range of high-tech applications that make our everyday lives better and easier. For example, they play a crucial role in state-of-the-art microchip manufacturing equipment for the semiconductor industry. They are also used in the laser industry, photonics, measurement technology, medical technology, and aerospace. These components are essential for innovative technologies in Germany, Europe, and around the world. Precision is our passion. We develop processes for manufacturing, assembling, and cleaning high-precision parts and assemblies. PTF Group includes 3 strong companies with more than 300 employees across 3 locations. Where others fail, we are just getting started. We support our customers from product development and prototype construction to serial production. Every project begins with a detailed analysis. In close cooperation with our customers, we intensely study their requirements and develop initial ideas for practical implementation. Our staff then develops a manufacturing process and plans resources to achieve an optimal workflow. Before production, we use state-of-the-art X-ray technology to ensure that only the specified raw materials enter our manufacturing process. Production, the heart of PTF Group. CNC parts for tomorrow's world are produced here with the highest precision. Components with complex geometries and contours, as well as microscopically burr-free parts made from a wide range of metals, special alloys, or plastics. Well-thought-out processes meet true passion. With decades of experience, extensive in-house capabilities, and cutting-edge automation, we deliver customized solutions quickly and with maximum cost efficiency. Good isn't good enough for us. Our shop floor management ensures that we can safely control our production processes and helps us get a little bit better every single day. We achieve the highest dimensional accuracy and superior surface quality through precision grinding and wire EDM. High-tech components demand the utmost precision, which is why our climate-controlled measuring centers feature state-of-the-art metrology. You want more? You get more. As a full-service provider, we go beyond the series production of CNC components to offer a wide range of additional services. In collaboration with experienced partners, we provide a wide range of heat and surface treatments. This gives your parts greater resilience, a perfect surface, and an elegant finish. We assemble your components and systems ready for installation, exactly to your specifications. On request, we can also do this in our own clean room. For the final cleaning, we offer a multi-chamber ultrasonic cleaning system, as well as our fully automatic hybrid cleaning system, using water and solvents, with a direct connection to our clean room. To meet the strictest standards in industrial component cleaning, we collaborate with a broad network of partners, enabling us to eliminate even the tiniest particles and molecular residues. Our full-service concept also includes sophisticated packaging and logistics solutions, down to component-specific reusable packaging. This allows us to act not only economically, but also ecologically, ensuring that your high-tech component arrives safely and sustainably. From the first idea to safe delivery, we pay attention to every detail, because quality is our passion. This is how we drive progress forward and shape a better tomorrow in Germany, Europe, and around the world. PTF Group makes precision visible.